Hello you lot. Yep, another week, another video. This video I'm going to be doing these bits here. This one's not too bad. Obviously these pop out for the water to squirt up there, although I've never seen them do it. A mystery. But this one, as you can see, is really textured bad. So the idea is to unclip it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is, yeah, it's just bonded on, isn't it, really badly. And it's clipped on like that. Not too bad. I may put some sealant on that just to stick it. The tags are intact. Anyway, so yeah, what I'm going to do, sand this back, treat it with some primer, and then get some spray. But first of all, I've got to drive 25 miles to go and pick a can of spray up, and 25 miles home. So let's go and do that. There we go, I've arrived. Relatively quick and easy drive. Let's get inside and have a look. Here we go, I've arrived. Ford Panther pack. 2 rows, which is pretty unusual because it's 3 rows actually. Although that's Shadow, that's Panther. Yeah, so I'm going to get a couple of cans, get back home and get working on the paint. So as you can see, it's fairly textured because it looks like somebody had sprayed it before. Possibly it's a replacement. And it is a Ford part. And the paint's reacted. So I've got a sanding block. I'm going to see if it sands off, but I may have to scrape it off. We'll see. Right, so as I bring you back, you can actually see that it has been primed before. So yeah, it's coming off very easy. This is now actually smooth, despite giving the appearance that it's textured. Yeah, so I'm going to sand it a bit more, let it dry, give it a clean, and see if the primer will sit on top of that one. So I'll bring you back for that, rather than show you 10 minutes of sanding footage. There we go, sanded, done. It's a little textured, but then the plastic isn't smooth anyway. Plan is now to prime it, so I'm just going to clean the area that I'm going to spray it in, because obviously there's still pearlescent reminiscence. And then I shall, missed a bit, then I shall go and do it. Anyway, come and join me back outside whilst I put some plastic primer on it. Right, so the area's all set up and the plastic's ready to go and cleaned. One thing I do is I stand the cans in warm water, and this helps thins the paint and hopefully should make it easier to spray. There we go. It's all dry, wiped off. As I say, it's a little textured, but let's get some Panther Black on it. I shall stay here and shoo the flies away. There we go, next up is some clear coat. I'll probably do a couple of coats of this and then do the other one, just so they match. Right, now hopefully they just clip on like so. I think that's on. I think the wobble is actually just the part wobbling. Right, let's go get this one as well. Right, let's have a look. Didn't stay on. I'm assuming that's on. Anyway, they at least match the paint of the bumper, which is something. Obviously the front bumper is something I'm changing, as well as the grills. As I say, it's all got a scratch there, and obviously the wing needs doing, but that's all going to be future content. So if you want to see me get on and do the other jobs, click on the subscribe button and join me in the next video. Thanks for watching.